In this tutorial, you will learn how to measure the external rotation amplitude of the shoulder in position R1 thanks to the K-move. In order to do this, fix the K-move to the wrist of the patient, whose elbow has to form an angle of 90 degrees, with 0 degrees of pronosupination with a neutral grip. Then, turn the device on. In the app, select this activity which will monitor the upper limb with an external rotation in a sitting R1 position. A short explanation of the exercise will be displayed, along with the equipment you will need, how to explain the exercise to your patient, the configuration, and the references. Connect the device so the test can get started. Once it is connected, you can select the number of repetitions to make. Here, we will do a single repetition. Let's get started. First, you have to calibrate the device, so ask your patient to keep this position and not to move. Once the device is calibrated, you can begin. In 5 seconds, the patient will have to go to his maximal amplitude without any parasitic movement, and then go back to normal. Let's switch to the left side. Take the same anatomical landmark on the wrist. Install the K-move. You do the exact same thing in a 90-degree neutral pronosupination position. Now we must do another calibration. Ask the patient to go to his maximal amplitude again and go back to normal. The tracking record appears immediately with the maximum angle and the symmetry. You also have some curves to see how the test has been realized. Here, we have measured the amplitude of the shoulder in an A1 position, but with the K-move, you can measure all the amplitudes of all the movements you can think of.